7 types of home remedies for wheezing. 1. Drink orange juice. It has been found by the researchers that drinking 3 glasses of orange juice every day can bring down wheezing to 70%. The reason for orange juice benefit is because the lining of the respiratory tract needs good amounts of vitamin C. One can include some other food items rich in vitamin C, such as papaya and green chili and lime. 2. Steam inhalation. Steam helps relieve the symptoms of all the respiratory tract ailments. Throw a towel on your head to inhale steam from a mini sauna for 10 minutes. Steam will humidify your respiratory passages, easing your breathing. That will help in looking after the wheezing. 3. Make a rub. Make a therapeutic rub at home. For this you need mustard oil and camphor. Mix both of them. They are very strong in their action. After the application on the back and chest, cover with a cloth so as to avoid exposing to the air. 4. Apply paste. Try this healing paste of turmeric on your chest. Make a paste of turmeric powder with water and apply it on chest. Leave it for half an hour and wipe it off with a damp cloth. 5. Honey inhalation. Honey inhalation can be done by putting some honey in the boiling water and inhaling the honey-laden vapors. 6. Garlic. This medicinal bulb can be used for treating a number of diseases like asthma, wheezing, and also bacterial infections like cough, which too can cause mucus buildup in the bronchial tubes and cause asthma, wheezing. Take 3-4 cloves of garlic every day if you have asthma. If the smell is bothering you, you can make an infusion by crushing garlic cloves and boiling with a cup of water. For a quick remedy, garlic capsules can be taken. However, they may not be as effective as the original herb. 7. Figs. The nutritional properties of figs promote respiratory health and help drain phlegm and alleviate breathing difficulties. Wash 3 dried figs and soak them in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, eat the soaked figs and drink the fig water on an empty stomach. Continue this home treatment for a couple of months. Follow any one of these steps regularly for a month or 2. Please subscribe for more health tips. Please leave your comment to enhance our service. Thank you for watching.